Good morning. Today, more people in Missouri become eligible to receive the COVID-19 vaccine. We estimate about 125,000 St. Louis County residents fall into the Phase 2 eligibility category, which includes those who work in construction and manufacturing, those who work in financial services and higher education, and the unhoused. St. Louis County continues to work hard to remove barriers to vaccinations for all county residents. Our Department of Public Health is vaccinating 15,000 people a week, and as long as the state continues to increase the supply of vaccine we get, our capacity to administer doses will increase as well. We announced last week 2 South County large-scale vaccinations. The first will be held Saturday at South Technical High School, and that will be followed by a vaccination event on April 8th at Kennedy Recreation Center. Both will be held from 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. and are appointment only. If you have not already, please register with the St. Louis County Department of Health at stlcorona.com. The county already provides hundreds of vaccinations weekly in South County through partnerships with area fire districts and emergency personnel. The addition of the 2 new sites means that the county will administer vaccinations at more than 15 locations, including mobile units that serve senior housing complexes and homebound individuals. The Department of Public Health has been working to identify sites throughout the county that can be used repeatedly, and the availability of such sites improves efficiency because less setup work is required between events. And that's the case at Florissant Valley campus of the St. Louis Community College in North County, which was the county's first mass vaccination site outside of the Department of Public Health clinics. To reach our unhoused population, the Department of Public Health is working with social service agencies to help get these vulnerable residents vaccinated. We must continue to vary our mode of delivery. As we have seen with our homebound residents and some of those living in senior living facilities not covered through the state's vaccination program, this is not a one-size-fits-all process. Our commitment is to make the vaccine accessible to everyone who wants one. Today, I'd like to give a couple of updates on the COVID-19 Emergency Rental Assistance Program as well. These are federal funds provided to St. Louis County to help those who have struggled to remain in their homes during the pandemic. St. Louis County received $29.7 million for this critical program, and we will begin accepting applications a week from today. However, today a call center opens to answer questions prior to the program beginning. The call center number is 314-806-0910. The program will provide back rent and temporary rental assistance to low and moderate income households that have had a loss of income, have qualified for unemployment benefits, face significant costs, or experience financial hardship due to the COVID-19 pandemic. The program is limited to St. Louis County residents. Applicants may be eligible for up to a maximum of 12 months of emergency rental assistance, and households that have received assistance through previous programs but have not yet received the maximum 12 months of emergency rental assistance can apply for this funding. Nan McKay and Associates has been authorized by St. Louis County to assist in the administration of the rental assistance program, including running the call center to address questions of residents and landlords. The program will only pay for back rent owed before March 13th, 2020, up until March 13th of 2020. Any rent after March 13th of 2020 is eligible for this program. Property managers or owners of a residential dwelling may apply for assistance on behalf of a tenant with the appropriate documentation and permission. Details of the program can be found at stlcorona.com, and I encourage you to look there for follow-up. Meanwhile, I've begun meeting with council members as St. Louis County prepares to receive about $192 million as part of President Biden's American Recovery Plan. We anticipate robust input from the public on how the funds will be spent and look forward to focusing on the recovery from this pandemic while continuing to get residents vaccinated as quickly as possible. We need healthy people to have a healthy recovery. This is a promising time for the country, and we have an opportunity before us with these funds to craft a recovery for St. Louis County that is sustaining, equitable, and puts us in a better position than before COVID-19. Thank you, and I'd be happy to answer any questions.
Dr. Bates, we don't have any specific questions. I was just going to clarify that was after March 2020.
Yes, the emergency rental assistance is an exciting program, almost $30 million for St. Louis County residents. And this program is eligible to residents and landlords to apply, but the back rent that is eligible is only rent after March of 2020. Thank you.
That's all we
Thanks,
have.
Doug.
Thank you.